Today I want to show you the Pixi Beauty and Hello Kitty Anywhere patches. They are meant to go anywhere on your face, and there's a few different shapes. First up, I'm going to start under my eyes, and then just because it's very dry, I'm going to place one across my chin as well. So let's do the under eyes first. I'm going to place that there. My first initial impression is how cool they are. They're also loaded with product. So I can totally understand why they are meant to bring moisture in. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this one that's in the middle. It's shaped just a little differently. I'm going to place it across, oops, it's so slippery. I'm going to place it across my chin. Right here. Let's see if it stays. Okay, I'll be back. I don't think I can talk much while it's on because the one on my chin is going to keep slipping. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so let's take these off. Overall, my skin feels moisturized, especially where I had the patches. I can definitely feel down here that it's helping to take care of this dry patch that I had on my chin. So I'm really excited that I have these because I can just put them on really quickly right before I do my makeup, and then I am ready to go. I've linked them for you to shop and check them out.